Oh, we yeah, now it's working. Okay, this is a video. I'm gonna be breaking down the majors, three majors, three major pairs. I'm gonna be breaking down my analysis for the week, and then I'm gonna also make another video talking about how the analysis went. This is gonna be a way that I'm gonna be using to document my trades, as well as document my analysis, as well as document my thought process into the markets, as well as document my journey. This is like my first video. I was inspired by Sean Lee and Technical Tuesday, and so I'm just gonna be doing it here, just improving my technicals as well, and also be using it to see for myself what can I improve. What was my view for the week? Because trading is art. It's all about projections and like predicting what could happen in the market, and then following what happens in the market, being in tune and being in sync with the market. So I'm gonna be posting like this almost every Sunday or Saturday, just posting my analysis. Then at the end of the week, I'm just gonna make a review of the analysis which I provided, and then just see from there, and just take it from there, and just see where I can improve and what I've learned throughout the course of that. So this is the first one, USD CAD major pair, United States dollar versus the Canadian dollar. And what I'm seeing for this one is a sell to the downside. Why I'm seeing a sell is that you can see that price has been failing to break above this key area, this major area of resistance. So that price since 2020 came here, shut down, came here, shut down, came again, shut down, came again, shut down. Every time price comes here, something always pushes it down, always. And we have been seeing this for the past 2 years, 2020, 2021. It's also being the same. 2020, 2021, and now it's 2022. You can see like almost the same thing has already began happening. So we can see that this is a very key area of resistance, as I've marked it as a major area of resistance. So that's why I'm seeing sell from this level. And another thing that I'm seeing from which has occurred at this level, I'm seeing a double top. It may not be perfect, but nothing's ever perfect in this market. This is what I'm seeing, since this being a potential double top, and then this could be where price could be heading. This could be the neckline, and this is where the double top started. So all we do is that we just drag this from there, and then we just bring it from here. We just bring it to the other side. You can see like this is where price could potentially be heading. And another thing which I've learned from Sean is that we just do something like this from where it starts from the top to the neckline, boom, then from the neckline going down, and then boom, it could potentially be coming all the way to here. So what I'm seeing is that we're at a major area of resistance. I'm seeing a double top. So a confirmation for this sells when price breaks below this resistance at this support, this trend line, which is acting as diagonal support, because so the price shot up, came back to the trend line, shot up, came back to the trend line, and shot up, and confluenced with other areas of support and resistance. So confirmation, a third confirmation, because already we have major resistance, double top. Confirmation is going to be when price breaks below this trend line. And what I've learned from Forex Kings, Jason Noah just said that when price breaks below a trend line which had three touches before the trend, then it's a significant breakout, and high chances are price is going to fall all the way to the downside. So consider we had three touches: first touch, second touch, third touch. So if it breaks this level, high chances are we're coming here. So we can see that we have been bullish and bullish and bullish, but we can see that from here, this was the higher low, higher low, higher low. We're forming higher lows, higher lows. You can see that this higher low, this higher low, and then when we form the higher high, which was higher than this one, but this time we didn't form a higher high which was higher than this one. You can see that we failed, hence we formed the double bottom. So chances are we're dropping and coming to take down this last higher low or something like that. So this here, as I've noticed, this was going to be my take profit 1 and my take profit 2. And another thing which I'm not talking about is this: there's also this key area of support here. You can see the price bounced off this level, broke below, retested it, went down. So this is also a key area. You can see the price bounced here, 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 and here. And now we're just waiting. When price breaks below this level, high chances are we're going down because it's in confluence with the trend line. And what we would do is wait for price to break below, retest, and then shoot down. So that's what price does, like always break out and retest. So that's what I'm seeing on USD CAD. And another thing which I'm also seeing in between this whole move, something like this. I'm seeing that price could potentially form another double top within the big double bottom, double top, something like this. Boom, and then boom, boom, boom. So if this happens, I'm gonna take a trade right at the top, which is comfortable because my SL is gonna be right above here, and then price breaks this level is gonna be an area for me to scale in. So this is USD CAD. I'm seeing a bearish momentum, and then we just take it from there. So we just wait to see, either I'm gonna sell here or I'm gonna sell when price breaks below this. It's gonna be nice day trading as well as nice swing trading. So that's Forex major number one. Go to number two, which is GU. Start from the 4 hour. Okay, GU, as you can see that we are in an overall downward trend. You can see we're forming lower highs and lower highs and lower highs and lower lows. So you can see that this was the last lower low, and price is broken below it, retested it, and then what's currently happening is that price has broken this level. This was a key level. I thought that price would form a down bottom and shoot up from this level, but price broke below this level, retested it, and shot down. So what I'm seeing right now in GU, I see GU potentially dropping to touch this level, and then from this level, price could potentially shoot back to retest this level again, and then shoot up. With GU, I have close to like 3 scenarios which I'm seeing. Any one of them could happen. We talk about scenario one. Scenario one for me is when price is going to shoot to here. This is in confluence with the trend line as well as a key area of support somewhere. So I see price potentially coming here, then doing something like this, forming a third touch, and then coming back to this major area of support. See, this was major support. This could potentially happen. As you can see that with GU, the momentum is to the downside, because you can see that the retracements are low, and that's scenario number one. And then scenario number two on GU is price could potentially come here and then break above this level once again, retest it as support, and then go all the way to the upside, and then from there it can drop again or come somewhere around here, because you can see that price has been dropping and not giving significant retracements. So price could potentially come back here, and then using our Fibonacci from there, this being the level, and this could bounce off the 61.8, then continue with the sell. So those are the two scenarios I have, which I'm going to be monitoring for the next couple of weeks. That's it for GU. So I'm basically neutral on GU, whichever one presents itself first. Either a nice sell from here to there, like 100 pips, and then a nice swing all the way to the upside. So we just see all price could hit this major support level and then shoot all the way to the upside, because this was the major support. You can see price could come to here this week, and then next week we may see price shooting all the way to the upside. So that's GU. Let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD, we consider we've just hit a major support level. Let me see that price bounced from here in 2020, shot all the way up all the way to 2021, the whole year, and then it hit this major resistance level and then shut down. So you can see that a year later we're back at this major area of support, and we could potentially repeat what happened here, which is a bounce back to the upside. So I'm seeing buys on this one. You can see that already we have reacted from this level, shot up, then we face resistance at this mini area of resistance, and then we shot down. So what I'm currently seeing is that price could potentially come back to this level and form a double bottom and then shoot all the way to the upside. So this is what I'm seeing on Euro USD. A nice sell, I think it's 100 pip sell maybe on Monday to Tuesday, And then Wednesday going forward, I see us bouncing from this level, shooting all the way to the upside because this is a major area of support. We would be forming a double bottom as well as the bullish reversal candlestick that forms. So that's what I have for the majors for this week. So we'll just see what happens. Bearish on USD CAD, bullish on GBP USD. I'm basically neutral either way. Then Euro USD, I'm bullish as well. So we'll just see what happens. Hopefully, I'm not hopeful, just see what happens this week. That's it for the majors.